Okay guys, welcome to this Maths Genie Stage 1 Test D, okay, for GCSE Maths for the foundation tier. So this is appropriate for Edexcel, OCR and AQA foundation tier, as well as the international exam boards for the foundation tier, okay, and it's a non-calculator, exam style questions, okay, looking at grade 1 to 4 maths, okay. We're going to start with question number 1. Okay, the pictogram shows the number of pies sold by a shop from Monday to Friday 1 week. Okay, so the key represents 2 pies. Okay, so each circle represents 2 pies. That means half a circle represents 1 pie. Okay, work out the total number of pies sold in the 5 days. We've got 2 there. You got 2 there. So Monday there was 4. On Tuesday there were 2, 4, 6, and then 1, so that'll be 7. On Wednesday there was 4, 6, 8, 9. So that plus that 1. 2, 4, 6. That's going to equal to 6. And then you got this one, which is going to be 2, 4, and then 1, okay, which makes 5. Okay, so adding these up together, okay, well, 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is going to be 15. 15 plus 9 is going to be 24. And 24 plus 7, okay, is going to be 31. Okay, so your answer will be equal to 31. Okay, and it is a non-calculated paper. Okay, please feel free to obviously show your full workings here. Okay, question number 2. Here are 4 number cards. Part A, write down the largest 3-digit number that can be made using these number cards. So the largest 3-digit number, so that's going to be 8, 6, 3. Okay, for part B, arrange the cards to give the smallest possible answer to this sum. Okay, so this one, okay, so if I have, for example, if I have 28, let's say, okay, add 36, okay, and we'll see if we can get any smaller answers, okay, because if we swap any other number, okay, so working this out to the side, doing a bit of column addition, okay, 8 plus 6 is going to be 14, so 4 carry the 1, okay, 2 plus 3 is going to be 5, plus 1 is going to be 6, okay, so that is, okay, can we make any other number smaller than 64? Okay, well, if I have, okay, let's say 26 and 38, yeah, so if I start swapping my here, my answer is going to end up being bigger. Okay, that will also give me the same answer. Okay, so you're going to have 2, 8, 3, 6. Okay, there is no other possible combination that will make it less than 64. Okay, because either number that you swap around, the number will end up being bigger than 64. Okay. This is question number 3. Change 3 hours into minutes. Well, that'll be 3 lots of 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour. So 3 times 60, 3 multiplied by 60, which is going to be 180. Okay, so there are 180 minutes in 3 hours. Okay, because there are 60 minutes per hour. Okay, so make sure that you are happy with your time conversions. Make sure that you're happy with 60 seconds equals 1 minute, 60 minutes equals 1 hour, and there are 24 hours in a day. Okay, 7 days a week here, obviously 12 months a year. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, question number 4, part A, write down the coordinates of point A. So point A is going to be 6 across, then 4 up, so that's going to be 6, 4. Okay, it's always along the corridor and then up the stairs or down the basement. Okay, part B, on the grid, mark with a cross, okay, the point 4, negative 2. So I'm going to go across 4 and then down 2, so that's going to be negative 2. So I'm going to label that as point B. Okay, label it as point B. It says label this point B. And for part C, on the grid, draw the line with the equation x equals 3. Okay, that'll be like a vertical line here. So with your pencil and ruler, guys, vertical line actually. Okay, I've just put out a video actually at the time of recording actually. So I've literally put out a video looking at horizontal and vertical lines here. So please do go check it out actually. I'll put a link in the description here and in the cards above. Okay, so I have actually just released a video here looking at horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, if it's a vertical line, yeah, it is going to be x equals a number. A horizontal line is y equals a number. Okay, and obviously, the gradient, it is actually like non-existent here. So gradient, for obviously vertical and horizontal lines are actually zero here if you're interested. Okay. Question number 5, write down a multiple of 9 between 20 and 30. We got 9, 18, 27. 27 is between 20 and 30, so your answer will be 27. Okay, question number 6, write down all the factors of 20. So factors are numbers or a number that goes into that number, in this case 20, cleanly with no remainders. Okay, so that'll be 1. Okay, because 1 times 20 is 20. 2 times 10 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, 10 times 2 is 20. And 20 times 1. Okay, 20 goes into 20 once. Okay, they are my list of numbers, okay, that are factors of 20, okay, because if I take 20 and divide them by each of these numbers separately, respectively, okay, I will get a whole number answer with no remainder, okay, because 20 goes into 20 once, and 1 goes into 20 20 times, 2 goes into 20 10 times, 10 goes into 20 twice or 2 times, 4 goes into 20 5 times, and vice versa, 5 goes into 20 4 times. Okay, question number 4. Work out the difference in minutes between 35 minutes and 1¼ hours. Well, 1¼ hours will be 60 plus 15, because a quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. Okay, because it's a quarter of 60. Okay, a quarter of 60 means 60 divided by 4, which can be 15. Okay, 60 plus 50, is going to be 75. So difference means I'm going to take away. So 75 subtract 35. So take away 35. 5 take away 5 is going to be 0. 7 take away 3 is going to be 4. So your answer is going to be 40 minutes. Okay. Watch out for the units in the exam, guys. They may obviously catch you out. It may have put the answers, or your units in hours. Okay, in that case, 40 minutes is what I call 2/3 of an hour. Okay, because 40 out of 60. Okay, but make sure that you are reading carefully the units in the exam. Okay, for a foundation tier, they will obviously really actually trip you up actually, but for higher tier, they will obviously trip you up a bit more. Okay, question number 8 is looking at a bit of bid mass here. Write brackets with a bracket in the statement to make each statement correct. You may use more than one pair of brackets in each statement. Okay, so I've got to make 31. Okay. So working this out, guys. Okay, so again, it is a bit of like trial and error here. Okay, so working this out, what do I get? Well, so it is a bit of actually trial and error here. So if I do, okay, so I want to make obviously 31 actually. Okay, so if I put brackets, let's say here, okay, and using bid mass, I would do brackets first, then the timesing, then the adding. Okay, so brackets, then multiply, then add. Well, 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 3s are 27, plus the 4 equals 31. So that is correct. Okay, so that comes here with a bit of trial and error. Here, this next one, well, I'm going to have to do 5 times 7, which makes 35, and 7 is made by 3 plus 4. Okay, using bid mass, okay, brackets come first, and then the indices, and then multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay. This is question number 9. Here is a number sequence. Okay, fill in the missing boxes to continue the sequence. Well, 11 to 7, I'm going to subtract 4. Okay, so take away 4. I'm going to subtract 4 again. 3 take away 4 is going to be -1. Oh, sorry. Okay, and -1 subtract 4 is -5. Okay, remember that if you're subtracting on your number line, you are going to the left. Okay, and if you're adding, you're going to the right. Okay, so if you're subtracting a number, yeah, it's getting smaller and smaller, and if you're adding to a number, it's getting bigger and bigger. Okay, this next one, question number 10. Okay, -36 or -36 divided by something equals 4. Well, if I do -36 divided by 4, that will work out the missing box. Okay, write it as a fraction. That will equal to -18/2 divided top and bottom by 2. Okay, -18/2 simplifies to -9, okay, or -9. So that will be -9 there, okay? And I can check here, because a negative divided by a negative, the answer to my sign will be a positive. So that does confirm my answer to be correct, okay? Question number 11, here is a list of fractions. One of the fractions is not equivalent to 1/4. Write this fraction down. Well, this one divide top and bottom by 5 and I get 1/4, so it can't be that one. This one divide top and bottom by 11, okay, and I get 1/4. This one divide top and bottom by 4 and I get 1/4. This one divide top and bottom by 8 and I get 1/4. This one here is an odd one actually, but let's just obviously check it. Divide top and bottom by 2 and I get 3/14, and that is clearly not equal to, yeah, not the same as 1/4. Okay, that is very evident. Okay, and if you're not convinced, you can do 3 divided by 14. Okay, work out your decimal. Okay, and 1/4 as decimal, yeah, is equal to 0.25. Okay, or 0.25. Okay, and you will clearly see that they are not equal. Okay, because 4 and 14 don't actually go into each other like cleanly. Okay, but you can obviously check it there and do a little bit of practice here to the side. Okay, question number 12. Okay, sorry, writing down my answer, sorry. So 6/28. Question number 12, here is a list of numbers. Okay, we've got 7, 10, 12, 16, 21, 26, 37, 49. From the list, write down all the square numbers. So square numbers are made by taking a number and multiplying by itself. So what I mean by that is 1 times 1 is 1. So your answer here is a square number. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 is a square number. Okay, 3 times 3 is going to be 9. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, 4 times 4 is going to be 16. Okay, so 4 is going to be 16. So 16 is a square number. So I can write it down. Okay, and then the next one, hopefully you're happy with, that 49 is a square number because 7 sevens are going to be 49. Okay, or 7 times 7 is going to be 49. Okay, so we only have 2 numbers from that list here that are square numbers. Okay, so a square number is made by taking a number and multiplying by itself, once. Okay, so 7 times 7, or 7 multiplied by 7, gives you 49. Okay, that's my answer for question 12. Okay, right guys, that takes us to the end of this section, looking at like a stage 1 test D. Okay, like I said at the start, this is obviously appropriate revision for foundation tier students. Okay, but it may also be good revision for obviously higher tier as well. Actually, but obviously higher tier it is going to be obviously slightly more trickier. Okay, but hopefully you found it useful, hopefully you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all inside the next video. Okay, thanks for watching, take care, all the best with your revision in your studies, and I'll see you all inside the next video. Okay, bye for now, take care, all the best.